In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install games in Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Telegram's built-in game options and start playing with a friend in just a few taps. First, open Telegram. You can do this on your phone or on desktop. But the experience is smoothest on mobile. Make sure you are using the official Telegram app and that you are connected to the internet, so everything loads quickly. Next, tap the search bar. This is the magnifying glass you'll see at the top of the screen. In the search field, type exactly. This is Telegram's GameBot that provides a collection of lightweight games you can play right inside a chat. Be sure you select the real one spelled correctly. Without extra characters, when you open it, you'll see a simple interface with options provided by the bot. Now, tap the button that says Play with Friends. This tells Telegram you want to launch a game inside a chat so you and your friend can play together or compare scores. When you choose this, Telegram will show your chat list. Pick the friend you want to play with from your recent conversations or search for them by name. The friend you select will receive the game right in their chat, and both of you will be able to open it from there. After you select the friend, you'll see a list of games. These are quick, casual titles designed to run right inside Telegram. So here is nothing to install and no extra downloads to manage. You can preview the options and pick something that fits the mood. Some are fast arcade-style challenges. Others focus on puzzles or timing. The goal is simple fun and friendly competition. Once you've chosen a game, tap the play button. The game opens in the chat as a mini app. And you can start immediately. Controls are typically straightforward: tap, swipe, or use on-screen buttons. Depending on the title, your score will be tracked by the bot, and your friend can play the same game to try to beat it. If the game supports rounds or levels, you can replay and improve without leaving the chat. Because these run within Telegram, you stay in the same conversation, and everything from launching to sharing results happens in one place. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.